not recommending that you do this. And yeah, we're doing it in the middle of the night. But if you're in a jam and you gotta pass inspection, so I bought one AC Delco GM knock sensor. Don't get a knockoff. Don't get a bullshit one. Get an AC Delco one. Screwed it into the head, right in the front. And the connector, it's this connector right here. And it reaches. So, let's go back to the bench. All we're going to do on the bench is join these. We're going to solder them together. Yeah, it's a very neat bench. We're going to solder them together. And we'll hope to God it works. It wasn't so hard. Just solder them together. You should really solder them. This is just a cheap. Forgot who made it. It's made in Taiwan. Let's go see if it works. Alright, it's ran over. That's it. It goes right into there. I mean, I'm not gonna know for a few days if it really works, if that check engine light pops up again or not. The knock sensor, I mean, I gotta delete it. You delete the code. This thing was running, it was running really good, but it burns a lot of gas. So, we'll see what happens. See if we pass inspection. Get it to go another year. A little rust bucket. Alright, boys and girls, good luck with your projects. Alright, boys and girls, it passed inspection. No check engine lights, about a week later. And we're good for another 2 years. Thank you, computer hack. Alright, good luck with your projects. Here's our little, good view of our little rust bucket here. Seen better days. Seen better days. It's 2004. It's got 260,000 miles on it now. We put about 120 on it. Went through a fuel pump. A few things here and there. Starting to die on us. Alright. Good luck with your projects.